Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have another spoiler. Now this is going to be another palette. There is a third palette variation added to the December BoxyCharm Premium Box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my December spoilers for the Choice and Ipsy Glam Bag. Congratulations, Christine Jackson. Christine says, my comment said added, but I don't see it. So adding it again. Happy holidays, everyone. And first again. Well, yes, you are, my love, and happy holidays back to you. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I hope this has been a really good year for y'all, and hopefully 2020 is even better, y'all. And Christine, thank you so much for commenting. I really appreciate when y'all take the time to do that. And I love you so, so much, honey. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. Now I'm going to show you a little clip that Joe made. I found this at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, but he is just explaining that he don't want nobody to get doubles of the other palettes. You know, there is the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette and also the Storybook Cosmetics Little Brow Rose palette. So in order for somebody not to get 2 of those, he added in a third palette, which is the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. Absolutely gorgeous. I've never tried a Denona eyeshadow, and I would love to. Oh my gosh, I bet they are so nice, especially for that price. They better be. They better get up and do the dishes. They better mop my floor. They better clean my whole damn house for that price that she charges. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to let y'all see the clip that Joe made.
It's a bit of an update about premium, okay? So as I told you, you either receive the storybook over here or the hidden treasure by Dose of Colors. Now we wanted to make sure that no one receive. If you're a Lux member, we did not want you to end up receiving in the Lux the storybook, and then not receive the same in premium. So we had introduced the Dose of Colors. However, many of you guys are already Lux and premium, so we did not want to run into a situation that you ended up receiving 2 of those because we didn't have enough of that. So we are going to have a voila, a Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. So it's going to be 1 out of 3 palettes. Okay, 1 out of 3. So I actually had to pick it up myself right now from Sephora.
And that's it, guys. So tell me what you think about it down in the comments section. Which one of these palettes do you want to get? And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. And as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And now let's read the comment that I picked, y'all. Congratulations, Ritzily yours. I think that's how you say that. You know, it probably ain't. You know I can't pronounce anything, so don't come after me. Anyway, she says, you never pick my comment. Well, what you got to say now, Ritzley? What about now, honey? That's right. You ain't got nothing to say now, do you, honey? I'm just teasing you, honey. Here is your shout out, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, honey, and I love you so, so much. And don't never get, I try to pick everybody's comments, okay? If I ain't picked yours yet, can't never get the first comment. Trust me, honey, I'm going through all the names, and I like to make sure I get new names when I do pick the comment. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. I mean, it really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head off this video. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every damn one of my videos. Before I do leave this video, I do want to let y'all know that I do make other videos. I know a lot of y'all are here for my spoilers, but if you would do me a favor and go check out the videos where I'm in myself, and hopefully you like them, guys, because, you know, I've been doing these videos for a long time, but they don't get nowhere near the views that these spoiler videos get. And I just want to meet y'all and let y'all meet me. That way y'all could put a face to the voice. So if you would check out my other videos, guys, I'm about to upload another one tomorrow. And it's really interesting. And that is it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.